Guys, it's official. So 3:07 a.m. They just posted this literally like an hour and a half ago on the Pokemon official Twitter page. It says Pokemon Fire Red and Leaf Green are confirmed for Nintendo Switch. It doesn't say Switch 1 or Switch 2, so it means both. If it was exclusive, it would say exclusive. It's going to be both, which means if you have a Switch 1, a Switch OLED, a Switch Lite, or a Switch 2, you're going to be able to play these games. And my assumption is they're going to be 30 FPS, so it doesn't matter if you have a Switch 1 or a Switch OLED. You're going to get the same performance even if you have those versus a Switch 2. So you're not getting any upgraded performance. Obviously, when you dock it, it might upscale to 1440p, 4K, but when it comes to just the console itself, playing it handheld, it's going to be the same across all. It says these download exclusive titles will be available after the Pokemon Day presentation, which will begin Friday, February 27, 2026 at 6 a.m. PST. Sorry, just woke up, and I woke up to this, so this is like the best news ever, and I'm so freaking excited for this. I cannot wait to replay these games. Now, it does say that there will be, It says download exclusive titles. So, I believe that these are going to be on the eShop, and based on rumors and reports, is $30 a piece. So $30 for Leaf Green, $30 for Fire Red, and yes. So let's go ahead and click on this article though that they posted, and this takes us to the Pokemon.com page that says the Pokemon Fire Red releasing blah blah blah. And it doesn't really seem to give any more information. Notice you click on the video above, you believing, okay, whatever. Yeah, it actually doesn't really give much information at all. Is it going to say, when it comes? Or how much it's going to be? Alright, so it does show you, Game Boy here, Nintendo Switch. Interesting how they don't show the Switch 2. That's interesting. Now, it does say on the eShop. Keep this in mind, guys. On the eShop. So it's not part of the Nintendo Switch Online program. A lot of people are going to be upset by this because they're going to say, hey, I pay, $60 a year for the Nintendo Switch Online program. Why am I not getting it for free, right? You're not. You're going to have to spend, and the rumor is $30 for each edition. So if you want to get both, you're going to have to spend $60. But again, it will be available in the eShop. So, Nintendo eShop. This is not a Nintendo Switch Online, situation here. This is you're going to have to spend money to get this. Now, again, listen, it's downloadable. You download them to your console. You can play them anywhere. It's going to be amazing. I'm very excited for this. I'm very, very happy about this. And, this is probably one of the best things we have seen in a very long time. In my opinion, I love Pokemon, okay? I love Pokemon. I love Fire Red, Leaf Green. I literally grew up with it. Ruby, Sapphire, all that kind of stuff. Diamond, Pearl. So, this was my childhood. So, I am very, very excited about this. I know, 29-year-old man, still very excited about this. Someone asked, is it going to be remake or remastered? Most likely remastered. Pretty much. So, just upgraded everything. Which, again, this is something we've been talking about for a while now, so the fact that it's officially now here is insanely crazy to say out loud. So, what are people saying about this? Yeah, so remake or remastered. Remastered most likely. I say remake because it's a completely new game. Fire Red, Leaf Green were remakes of Red and Green. I meant currently, it's neither. It's quite literally just a port. I think it's going to be a remaster. I don't think it's just going to be a port. Maybe it is. Maybe it's going to be a port. Oh. Kanto is back. Literally says these remakes of Pokemon. See, reading is always smart and fun. So the remakes. Okay. It's not just a port. It's not just a port. It literally says remakes. Classic remakes. So, unless they're saying classic remakes of Red and Green, right? Okay, so they are okay. Good point here. So they're just gonna be ports. Then never mind. So it says classic remakes, which is classic remakes of Red and Green, which then are ports to the Switch. Okay. Yeah. I mean, listen, I'm so happy no matter what. I'm so excited for this, even if they are just ports, and we'll see issues, non-issues that happen with it. I don't care. I get to play Pokemon Red and Leaf Green and Fire Red on my Switch. My Switch too. I'm happy about that. Yeah, we'll see. Someone says downloading Nostalgia for $60. Oh man, they are $19.19 each. I don't think this is confirmed. I don't think this is confirmed, to be honest. I think this is just what he's expecting. Cause the current rumors are $30 each. That's a current rumor. Wait, who is this guy? Cause he's like dropping all the information. Okay, I think he's just a rando. He's an NPC. Local hours will need Pokemon Home support eventually. Check the eShop for them. Yeah, I think this guy's an NPC. Unless I haven't checked the eShop if they're posted at this point. They might be posted. Who knows? But I haven't checked the eShop yet. I just saw this when I woke up, and I'm like, let's make a video and talk about this. What's wrong with putting it on this? They want to make money. That's really what it comes down to. They want to make money. That's the big thing here. Like, why not put it on there? To make more money. That's pretty much all that it comes down to. This is gonna be probably the biggest seller for Nintendo in a very long time at this point. It's gonna be insanely crazy. Physical releases should happen too. I don't know. I'll be honest, if they did release it physically, it would be so expensive. Because scalpers. Scalpers would buy up 16, 20 million copies of them and just list them up for stupid prices. And my assumption is, I'm exaggerating with 16, 20 million copies. They most likely would only release a certain amount, and scalpers would get them within seconds, and they would just skyrocket the price. I mean, it would be impossible to get those copies. So, I mean, that could happen, but I imagine all those bots people set up, they would absolutely just destroy that. But I guess wait and see. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Wow, this guy commented on every single time someone said that they were a certain price tag. He commented and said they're $20 each. So they already are up on the eShop. Okay. So $20 each? Hang on, we got I know I'm doing this. I'm doing this not as traditional as I normally would. This is kind of more of a live thing. That's not live. Normally I do a little bit more research on everything, but just this coming out, I just wanted to make a video real fast as possible. So let's see, Fire Red. They are currently on the eShop. Hold up. There you go. $20 each. Spanish, French, and English. So you have 3 different variants of each. Alright, so $20. They're going to be digital. Nice. It's going to be 40 megabytes. Nintendo Switch 2.4 megabytes supported. Genres. Nice. Okay. Well, I guess there we go. And what the guy said was true. Right here. Where you can visit wireless clubs to trade, battle, and chat with other players via local wireless. So, it's not going to be over the internet. But still, hey. I'll take that. And yes, Leafgreen is exactly the same as this. So it does say English only, which I kind of find interesting, but not really at the same time. So these are English only copies, and then French, whatever. I feel like nowadays most games they give you the option to like have any language. I feel like maybe not any language, but a good amount of them. But these are old ports being put on the Switch, so I guess that makes logical sense. Yeah, wow. Okay, well, yeah, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I know this video was all over the place, but hey, it's kind of how we do it here, boys. We kind of do it. We're doing it live type mentality, but yeah. See you guys in the next one.